Welcome back, everybody. I just rewired 3 genuine Singer bakelite foot pedals. I still got to shine them up a little bit. I inspected them, oiled them. The little lever on the inside, I oiled that. I checked the toe for any hairline cracks. I inspected the bottom rubber feet and replaced any that was needed. And I'm about to test them. All rewired with brand new wiring. And words up. It's going to be a tight fit on the first time you plug it in. I disengaged the belt there, removed the belt. Alright, number 1 works perfect. Variable speed works. Let's see, words up. Otherwise I'm playing games if you don't look at the words. Sure, I'm not the first one trying to plug that upside down. Let's try B. Variable speed works. And finally C. Variable speed works. Looks good. Alright, these will work on your Singer 221 or your Singer 301. Oh, Singer 15. Help me out. 306. There's a few others. They come in other colors too. I got this bakelite foot pedal. I was thinking about rewiring a couple that color. Alright, completely rewired, new wiring, toe inspected, rubber feet inspected. $50. There's 3 available. $11 to ship, all of USA. We'll ship worldwide too. Send me a personal message to make an order on Facebook. Thanks for watching.